kind of good stuff here, huh?
Yes.
It was that entrance.
Yeah. Oh yeah, nationwide.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello, Bob. Bob Woodchop here.
You'll be
No, it came out.
That's okay. You'll be able to see it on Bob's Woodshop. You can't get there in person.
I love that. Well, now that I moved into an apartment for my house, I don't need to
You
ride.
need to throw anymore?
I don't need to throw.
How you been?
Good. Oh, well. Yes.
plane, the plane. Get the planes. Okay, now here is a drill. Okay, it's for repairing watches. It's about 4 feet long. Oh man, look who's here. Billy Barrett from Stanhope is here. Hey Billy.
Bob, good morning. How are you?
Good to see you again, buddy.
What's going on?
Yeah, just out here to watch all the good stuff. What do you got?
I'm set up at the Crafts Picnic, which is awesome every year, and I have my table set up. These are some homemade fire pokers. If you guys get a minute, watch the video Bob made.
Yeah, we made that video a couple months ago.
On YouTube.
Yeah, very cool.
Some self-defense keychains.
Yep.
All kinds of varied stuff on my table that I make. This is some display boards of how Damascus is made. This is an actual billet of how you make real Damascus with high and low carbon steel.
Sweet.
That's how you start out.
Yeah.
This is actually a piece of old cable from the Brooklyn Bridge, and this blade here is forged out of it.
Awesome.
Little guard, it was quite fun to do. Have some other wares here. Here's some more of my finished type work. Little
Oh, you're making a bunch of these now, right?
oh yeah, knives are my passion. And then these are some display boards and stuff of how you can do different effects of railroad spikes and everything else. I'm gonna be forging in a little bit, so.
Yeah, I see you got the forge going. You got your anvil.
And this is an old rivet forge from 1903. They used to make a lot of the skyscrapers in Manhattan.
Oh, that's one we use at your house.
Yep.
Okay, and we got our forge.
Gas forge heating up right now.
All right, well, we'll be looking forward to making a hatchet with you soon.
Got my hammer and I'm ready to go.
All right, Billy. Thanks, God. See you later. Bye. What is it? What is it? To die for something, I have no idea. What is it? Looks like paw prints. What is it? Gold teeth? No kidding. A teeth mold?
Gold caps.
Gold caps. Look at that. Yeah, look at that.
I thought it was a paper that was supposed
it?